we're taking a look to the west here. We're on the main line of the Long Island Railroad, coming from the New-South Road crossing here, just east of Hicksville. Watching one of these scoot trains running between Hicksville and Babylon. We're going to be watching train 9254, running with DM30AC, 504 leading, 512 on the rear with 6. And 504, one of the many few with the K5 LLA chime on it. Train should be coming through here any moment as the train departs Hicksville 225 to go east to Babylon to connect with westerly connections. Looking to the west, you'll see the confines of divide interlocking, still with position lights. That's going to be eventually replaced by new color light signals, reduced aspect signals, that is. Same signals that Queens Interlocking is getting basically this weekend. And again, part of the reason why shuttle service is taking place on here is because of the work that is being performed at Queens Interlocking. Trains are running east of Hicksville. So you do have trains running from Port Jeff and trains running from Ronkonkoma and those points. Trains on the Montauk Branch are going via the Montauk Branch west to Babylon. Time now 2:28, and here comes train 9254. He's going to be switching over from 1 to 2. Looks like he's on 1. He's going to be switching over to 2, which he's doing now. DM30AC, 504 on the point, 512 on the rear with 6. This train actually comes off the 2 station in Hicksville. We'll have a westbound train that he's going to be meeting up over at Bethpage, which is the first station to the east of here. And here he comes. Gorgeous day today for rail fanning, for sure. DM30AC, 512 on the rear. This is train 9254, shuttle train between Hicksville and Babylon.